Alright, so you've got a sum in front of you and you're not quite sure how to crack it. Maybe it's simple addition, or maybe it's a little trickier. Either way, I've got your back. Let's break it down step by step. First things first, read the question carefully. Don't rush. Identify the numbers and what's being asked. Next, line up your numbers. Write numbers one under the other. Units under units, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds. This matters with big numbers. Start from the rightmost column, the units. Add those numbers. If the sum is less than 10, write it down. If it's 10 or more, write the units digit and carry the tens digit to the next column. For example, if you're adding 7 plus 8, you get 15. Write down the 5, carry the 1. Easy, right? Move to the next column on the left, add those numbers, and don't forget to include any number you carried over. Keep going, column by column, until you've added everything up. Once you reach the last column, add up all the digits, including any carry. Write down the result, and boom, you've got your answer. But what if you're dealing with decimals? No sweat. Just make sure the decimal points are lined up before you start adding. And if the numbers have a different number of decimal places, add extra zeros to make them match. Then, add as usual, and keep that decimal point right where it belongs. Quick tip, double check your work. Sometimes, just running through the sum one more time can catch little mistakes. And if you want to be extra sure, try adding the numbers in a different order. The answer should be the same. If it's not, go back and see where things went off track. To sum up, read the problem, line up the numbers, add column by column, carry over when needed, double check your answer. That's it. Next time you see a sum, you'll know what to do. Thanks for hanging out with me, and happy calculating.